everyone, welcome to a session on related databases of protein structure. In this session, let us discuss structural and related databases, their organization and their attributes as well. We would also gain an insight about how to use information retrieval system to obtain data and the need to analyze structural data using these databases. Bioinformatics is the application of information technology to store, organize and analyze the vast amount of biological data which is available in the form of sequences and structures of proteins, which are the building blocks of organisms, and nucleic acids, which are the information carrier. The biological information of nucleic acids is available as sequences, while the data of proteins is available as sequences and structures. Sequences are represented in single dimension, whereas a structure contains the three-dimensional data of sequences. A biological database is a collection of data that is organized so that its contents can easily be accessed, managed and updated. The activity of preparing a database can be divided into collection of data in a form which can be easily accessed, making it available to a multi-user system, always available for the user. The data stored in structured database records represents a practical summary of the experimental data. It is, however, not the data gathered directly by instruments, nor is it a simple mathematical transformation of that data. Each structured database record carries assumptions and biases that change as the state of the art in structure determination advances. Nevertheless, each biomolecular structure is a hard-won piece of crucial information and provides potentially critical information regarding the function of any given protein sequence. Structural completeness is quite rare in structured database records. Most X-ray structures lack coordinates for hydrogen atoms because the locations of hydrogen atoms in space are not resolved by the experimental methods currently available. However, some modeling software can be used to predict the location of these hydrogen atoms and reconstruct a structure record with the now modeled hydrogen atoms added. It is easy to identify the products of molecular modeling in structure databases. These often have overly complete coordinate data, usually with all possible hydrogen atoms present, that could not have been found using an experimental method. The first class of protein structure prediction methods, including threading and comparative modeling, rely on detectable similarity spanning most of the model sequence and at least one known structure. The second class of methods, de novo or ab initio methods, predict the structure from sequence alone without relying on similarity at the fold level between the model sequence and any of the known structures. There are a number of databases available online for elucidating the protein structure, and this module focuses on some of the important databases used by the biologists.